With the summer heat comes sweating. It's a natural part of life, but for some, it can be terribly embarrassing.
It's definitely a very costly problem. So, for example, women buying a very fancy cocktail dress or men wearing a designer suit, that can run into the thousands of dollars for one afternoon or evening of sweating.
People release up to a quart of liquid a day, and from sweat rings to odor, it's hard to hide the problem. Cosmetic surgeon Dr. Sharon Giese has been treating patients with excessive sweating for years, especially those with hyperhidrosis.
Hyperhidrosis is really basically defined as excessive sweat or sweat that's not controlled by deodorant.
When a patient perspires excessively and unpredictably, there are few remedies. Over-the-counter treatments promise to relieve the problem, but Dr. Giese says they can cause more harm than good.
And an over-counter deodorant or antiperspirant, which is something that will make you not sweat, has about a 12% concentration of aluminum in it. So it's a balancing act of trying to manage what is a bad problem with doing something else that may be relatively toxic to your body.
And oral medications.
They're generally anticholinergic drugs, but they also have many other side effects in the body.
Many have turned to Botox for severe underarm sweating to temporarily block the chemical signals from the nerves that stimulate the sweat glands.
It stops some of the nerve impulses that are creating this stimulating the sweat glands. And it's great. It works within a week after you have the injections. But the problem is that it only lasts 4 to 6 months. Some people can get up to 10. But still, again, you're looking at a temporary solution.
And if that doesn't work, Dr. Giese has developed a more invasive procedure that uses liposuction technology.
If you can imagine that this is the underarm area where you would have hair-bearing skin, I take a probe, and after there's fluid underneath, I just insert the probe and just run it, and it heats them up, and it just kills them.
Whether you suffer from moderate to extreme perspiration, don't sweat. There is a solution for you.